Depending on the size of your screen, you might want to change the size of the thumbnails in Lightroom's user interface. Or it may even be for personal preference when scrolling through your images. First, let's look at the Filmstrip at the bottom, which is available in all modules. To make these thumbnails larger or smaller, move your cursor above the Filmstrip until it changes to a double-ended arrow. Then click and drag up or down. Now let's look at the grid view, which is only available in the library module. To change the size of those thumbnails, make sure you have the grid toolbar visible. If not, go up to View and Show Toolbar. Pressing T on your keyboard will toggle it on or off. You may also have to go to the small arrow at the bottom right of the grid and ensure thumbnail size is ticked. At the right of that toolbar is a slider that controls the size of the thumbnails. Drag to the right to enlarge and to the left to reduce. You can also hover your cursor over the grid thumbnails and hold down Command on a Mac or Control in Windows and use the scroll on your mouse to increase or reduce the size of the thumbnails. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.